In this video, you'll learn how to process refunds in Roller POS. You might need to issue a refund if a guest cancels, changes their plans, or there's a payment error. To get started, search for the guest's booking using their name or booking ID. Then select the correct booking from the results. At the bottom of the booking details screen, select Refund. Next, choose the refund method from the available options: cash, card, gift card, or wallet. If possible, Roller recommends using the same method as the original payment. Keep in mind that credit card refunds can take 3 to 5 business days to appear on the guest statement. If gift card refunds are enabled for your venue, you can refund to an existing gift card or issue a new one. For a physical gift card, scan or enter the card number. For a digital gift card, the refund will be emailed to the booking holder. Here, we refund the booking to cash. You can refund the total amount, individual tickets, or enter a custom amount. To refund everything, select Total. To refund specific items, select individual tickets. Then, choose the ones you want to remove. If your venue accepts tips, there's also an option to refund individual tips. After selecting the refund type and the items you want to refund, select Continue to move to the final step. If your venue requires manager approval, the Manager PIN prompt will appear. A manager or authorized staff member needs to enter their PIN to complete the refund. You'll see a confirmation message once the refund is complete. You can also choose to print or skip the receipt depending on your venue's setup. You can also start or check a refund directly from the activity stream. Select More, Activity to open it. Select an entry to review it, and select Go to Booking to start a new refund. You've just learned how to process refunds in Roller POS, including selecting the refund method, refund amount, and completing with manager approval if needed. Smooth, timely refunds build trust and contribute to positive guest experiences.